Here's an update on the VY parts. Had the suit on and it was pretty humid today, and I had a couple of sweat runs, I suppose you can call it, come out. Tried to fix them. There's a bug. Just with a little bit of paper towel cloth and then the heat gun. There's another one somewhere there. It might come out better when it's polished, but yeah, just watch the when you got a suit on and it's stinking hot and humid, the sweat comes out your arm near your hand there. Lighting's pretty terrible. Got a few bugs this time, but yeah, had to redo the guards because I knocked one over and the dog knocked the other one over and put scars in it, but I suppose 10 coats of paint's better than 2 or 3. Side skirts, fuel cap, I've redone that I think 3 times, runs and bugs, and yeah, started today and it was good, nice heat, about 35. Looked at the radar and there was no rain, and then an hour after I started doing tack ragging and whatnot, had a big thunderstorm. So being colder, I was expecting a lot more bad results, but like an orange peel, but it's not too bad. We've got the bumper bar to do and the mirrors, a couple other little bits and pieces in blue. Yeah, okay, latest update on the VY.